As a chef, I've come across some fantastic things throughout my career. We're gonna be doing some really fun recipes and techniques with Cheshire pork. This is an old world style of pork. I tell you, it just eats better than other pork. Look at that fat content, intermuscular marbling off the charts. It takes decades of selective breeding to really tap into that. That combined with the Kamado Joe, low and slow capabilities plus fast and furious is a recipe for deliciousness. Stay tuned for the entire series as we explore different cuts of Cheshire pork and the versatility of the Kamado Joe. Let's see what these two can do together.